Hi, Ryan here, Bold Team Realtors at Coldwell Banker NHS Real Estate and owner and builder at Bold Homes LLC. Today, I'm going to answer the question, what's going on with the cost of building materials, especially lumber? So, what's going on with the cost of building materials, specifically lumber? Well, we're seeing a volatile price swing from one day to the next. Manufacturers were already behind due to the pandemic, forcing many plants to run at very low output levels or even shut down for extended periods of time. This led to further shortages at the local supply chains. Because of this, local supplies are unable to quote an exact price for those materials. Price quote could take up to 6 weeks. Here's what the cost of lumber has been doing. What that means is that a builder ordering lumber in December receives the lumber in mid-February, and the price has gone up by 166%. For a 2,000 square foot home, this becomes an extra cost of over $8,000 just to frame the home. That doesn't include costs associated with any other wood products like cabinets, trim, doors, the list goes on. Now, the good news, manufacturers are already working to catch up with the backlog. We're seeing corrections to the lumber prices over the past couple of months. The builder you choose should have a great relationship with their suppliers so they're able to watch these trends and order supplies at the correct time. Do not wait to discuss this strategy with a trusted builder. It'll be worth it in the long run when looking at the overall cost of your project. So if you're looking to build or have any other real estate related questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help you. You can call, email, or text me. Otherwise, click the link below and make sure to watch for updates in future videos.